The massive infrastructure of Indian Railways requires millions of liters of water for its daily need. At railway stations, inside the trains, railway colonies, and railway offices, the requirement of clean water annually costs crores of rupees to the Indian Railways. To cut its cost as well as to preserve water, Indian Railways has set up wastewater treatment plants at several stations across the country. Being one of the busiest railway stations of Central Railways, Pune is one such place where the wastewater treatment plant has made its impact and shown its resourceful utility. The only water that the railways takes from Pune Municipal Corporation is for potable purposes, and for all other uses, recycled water is used at the Pune station. Recycling 5 lakh liters of water per day, the plant is well on its way to achieve new heights as the project has been successfully implemented.
पुणे बहुत बड़ा स्टेशन है, 1.5-2 लाख लोग रोज आते हैं, तो पानी की बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में ज़रूरत पड़ती है। ये अगर हम लोग रिसाइकल्ड वाटर यूज़ करेंगे तो उसमें काफ़ी रेलवे की बचत होगी और एनवायरनमेंट की प्रति, पर्यावरण के प्रति भी एक अच्छा कार्य हो जाएगा।
The Secunderabad Junction railway station is a major intercity railway station and a commuter rail hub in the Hyderabad urban area. With a footfall of more than 1.5 lakh commuters every day, the station does not face water shortage any longer after the installation of wastewater treatment plant with a capacity of 5 lakh liters per day. Approximately 3 lakh liters of water is required for cleaning trains, platforms and tracks, which is met by recycling the wastewater. The water is purified through a 3-layered process to remove particles and odor. It passes through certain tanks with process including cleansing, separation of particles, chlorination, and then the treatment process before the final purification is done, and therefore purity of water is ensured.
We are treating the water and we are getting nearly 3 lakhs liters per day out of 3.4 lakhs liters, and that 3 lakhs liters is being utilized. 50% water will be utilized for the gardening and the remaining water is used for external cleaning of the coaches and for cleaning of the aprons and platform surfaces.
Indian Railways runs some 68 water treatment plants across the country. One among those is Satna Junction. It has a water recycling plant with a capacity of 6 lakhs litre of water, out of which approximately 2 lakh litre of water is recycled on a daily basis and is used for cleaning purposes. It not only helps Indian Railways to cut down on its massive water bills, but it is also a path-breaking step towards protecting the environment.